coming in the gate?
It's McGinty. And he has a tiny little dog with him.
Hi, McGinty. What's your little dog's name?
Hello, Maddie. She doesn't have a name yet. I've just adopted her from the dog shelter.
Aw, she's very cute.
Oh, she is. Now, little doggie, there's no need to be standing by the gate. Go on and play. You can bring your squeaky toy.
That sounds like a no.
Do you know, I think she might be a bit shy. You're okay. All the dogs in here are very friendly. Go on in and play now. It's just no use. She doesn't want to go in. Maybe I should take her home.
No, wait. She just doesn't know the dog park yet. Triggs can show her around. Triggs, come and meet McGinty's new dog.
Huh? Oh, Maddie, she's so tiny. Look at you, little doggy. You're the cutest little thing. Oh, yes, you are.
I think she's a bit scared of the dog park, Triggs. Maybe you could show her what's so great about it. Help her feel at home.
It would be my honor. Let's see. What's so great about the dog park? Well, there's shaggy dogs and waggy dogs with tongues that flop around. There's fluffy dogs and scruffy dogs, white, gold, black and brown. There's Rover, Sprocket, Banjo and Kathleen. And when we get together, well, it's something to be seen. Come on now, everybody, let's raise the woof. Oh, I love the dog park. Doggy, 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 dog park. Oh, I love the dog park. Every doggy's welcome in the dog park.
Hear that, little doggy? Every doggy's welcome. Oh, McGinty, I just hope Triggs can get her to join in. Come on, Triggs.
We're fetching toys and making noise and chasing balls around. There's water bowls and digging holes to bury the bones in the ground. We can sniff, we can scratch, and if we need a wee, we don't need to beg, we can lift our leg and go behind the tree. Up, don't be looking now.